In this question we have given a conical rod and we have to find the heat transfer through this rod. So first of all I am drawing the given diagram. So this is the first one end of the rod and this is the another end of this rod. We have given the radius at this end, that is R1, and radius at this end is R2, and temperature at this end is given to us, that is theta 2, and temperature at this end is theta 1, and the length of this rod is L. Now I am taking a element at a distance of small x from this end, and the thickness of this element, let it is dx. This is our element, and the radius of this element, let it is r. We have given that theta 2 is greater than theta 1, and the radius is written as r1 plus r2 minus r1 upon L into x, or I can say that r1 plus, this is I assume a into x. So this is the radius of a section. Let this is our equation first. Now resistance is given by, that is thermal resistance for element is dr is equals to dx upon, this is k times of a. Now put the value of area here. So this is dr upon, this equals to dx upon k. Area is pi r square. So this is pi, and radius is r1 plus ax whole square. Now we have to find total resistance. So we have to integrate on both sides. So this is integration of dr is equals to integration of dx upon k pi r1 plus ax whole square. This is from 0 to r, and this is from 0 to L. Now after integration we get the value of r, that is r is equals to, this is minus 1 upon ak into pi, and this will 1 upon r2 minus 1 upon r1. Now we have to put the value of a here. So this is minus L upon r2 minus r1 into k pi, and this will comes r1 minus r2 upon r1 r2, or I can say that this will cancel out, and finally we get thermal resistance R is equals to L upon k pi into r1 r2. Now we have to find heat flow. So heat flow is given by, that is Q is equals to delta theta upon R. So this is theta 2 minus theta 1, and R we had calculated, that is L upon Ka into R1 R2. Sorry, K pi into R1 R2. This is pi. Or I can say that heat flow Q is given by, this is K pi R1 R2 into theta 2 minus theta 1 upon L. So this is the heat flow through this rod, and this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.